Damages resulting from an insufficiently cleaned condensate trap are excluded from the warranty. Clean the condensate trap regularly. So that is what I'm going to do on the service. This is a Greenstar Worcester Bosch 8000 live. The reason I've made this video as well is because I found it really difficult to get this trap out, and I ended up phoning Worcester just because I felt like I was going to snap it when pulling it out. So it's pulled out, tipped to the left to help drain it away before removing the hose. Check the seal. Check the other seal for any damage. Make sure it's all lined up. You've got 3 little grey lugs there. They should be sat protruding through the seal. Make sure it's not dry or cracked or anything. That seal looked pretty good to me. Just make sure there's no blockages on the pipe leading away from the condensate trap. Check there's no blockage at the bottom of the heat exchanger. I've put a little bit of silicone grease on the top of the seal here, just because I find it quite difficult to remove and put the trap back in. So let's see if this just helps a little bit. Worcester said it was fine, so I'm happy to just put that on. It's not going to do it any harm. There's a little bit of a knack to just clip that in. And then press the green button and it locks. A bit more practicing for me just to take it in and out. Practice makes perfect.